Hey, Melvyn here with Hovee's Auto Body in the city of Chatsworth, serving yes, the LA County, the Ventura County, and all the surrounding cities since 1962. I'm showing you a fully disassembled car, all the parts we're painting. All we do here is pro, it's high-end, top-notched. You see all the parts for a complete paint job. To do it right, you have to disassemble a complete. All flares, handles, mirrors, every little part is disassembled. But this car is gonna be with a factory look, better than a factory finish. Again, Melvyn with Hovee's Auto Body. Visit us for more in the beautiful city of Chatsworth. Boom.
For your ride.
Down.
Contact Hovee's Auto Body and Paint at 818-882-9999.